This is the Slipstream bracket from that grin.com. We make them for all Tesla models. Here are the instructions. You can see there's the screw packs and the L key, which we'll get to these later. And inside is going to be your bracket. Take a look and see. We'll go ahead and I'll show you how easy the installation is. So here's the bracket. These legs actually pivot, so you want to pivot those out slightly. This just slides on under the bumper. So you push here, you push in slightly, that latches on, and then you push in here, and that latches on. You take the screws, there's a screw and a washer, so you put the washer and the screw together, insert the L key, put the screw here, just give it a turn until it's nice and tight, just like that. And then you take the other one with the L key and give it a turn until it's nice and tight. And there you go, nice and easy.